Hey, what's up guys? It's Pedro here from noobcoder.com, and in this tutorial we're going to be talking about how MongoDB is a schemaless database. So what does that mean? Well, it means that we don't have to define what our data looks like. This provides us more flexibility as opposed to more traditional SQL databases. So to get started, we created a database called school, and we have a collection called students, and we inserted this document. So you can see that this document has a property called name and it has a property called GPA. But since this is a schemaless database, I do not have to conform to just having a field name and a field GPA. So for example, I could go down here, I could say db.students.insert, and I could practically insert whatever I want. So for example, I'm just going to type LOL and we're going to give it the value of LOL. And if I hit enter, you can see that we successfully inserted this document within our student collection within our school database. So if I type db.students.find, you can see that it's there. And the reason I'm able to do this is because MongoDB is a schemaless database. Now, the benefits of being a schemaless database is, let's say a month from now, we need to collect more data from our students. The requirements for our database has changed. So for instance, we're collecting name and we're collecting GPA. But let's say we need the student's age. We need the student's grade level. We need the students, what classes the student is taking. So the needs of our database has changed, and being a schemaless database, it would allow us to add these fields much easier than your traditional relational databases.